Hey there humans, Bob here, and today we're going to be talking about a brand new way to fix your audio. Many of you know Adobe for the ever popular Photoshop, and I've personally been using their tools for over a decade now. Yes, I am that old, but this latest tool absolutely blew my mind when I first saw it in action. For those of you who are content creators, this may be the thing that finally fixes the audio on your YouTube videos. This AI-powered tool, currently named Adobe Podcast, is now in beta and allows you to upload MP3 and WAV files up to a total of 3 hours per day and uses AI to enhance the speech and remove background noise. Now, you may or may not have noticed throughout this video that my audio is pretty solid and generally not too different from the rest of my videos. Usually I'll use a dedicated microphone, but in fact what you're listening to right now is audio recorded through a webcam. In fact, this is what the audio sounds like without any speech enhancement. Let me give you a side-by-side comparison. The quick brown cow jumped over the lazy fox. Now let's try that with speech enhancement on. The quick brown cow jumped over the lazy fox. Now, I don't know about you, but I think if this technology is going to be this readily available and possibly even included in an Adobe subscription, this is going to change the game when it comes to audio. Mainly because now you can record wherever you want, on whatever you want, and still have solid audio for your audience to listen to. As mentioned, this tool is currently in beta, but you can request access by going to podcast.adobe.com and filling out the form there. But what do you think? Do you think this is going to change the game when it comes to creating YouTube videos and podcasts, or do you think it's just another fad? Let me know in the comments below. But in the meantime, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.